We are at the Nightcap National Park today. Minyon Falls on a rainy morning, a sight like no other. Moody, powerful and unforgettable. The second you step onto the trail, everything feels different. And the whole forest smells fresh, almost like a mix of earth and eucalyptus. The trail itself, pretty muddy. Every step squelches a little, and some sections are slick with wet leaves and rocks. Gotta watch your footing, especially on the wooden steps and rockier parts. You need to watch out for the leeches. They're everywhere. You stop for half a second, there's one on your leg, then another on your hand. You try to flick them off, but they just keep coming. If you ever get the chance to do this hike in the rain, do it. Just wear good shoes and expect to get wet. Totally worth it. Hiking here on a rainy day isn't for the faint of heart. It's tough, messy, and yeah, the leeches suck. It's one of those experiences you never forget. So this is where the hike gets real. Up to this point, the trail has been muddy, slippery, and full of obstacles. But now, there's no marked path. Just massive boulders, thick rainforest, and the sound of the waterfall getting louder. Climbing over the final boulders, you're already drenched, part sweat, part rain, part leech battle wounds. But then, you look up, and there it is. Minyon Falls, right in front of you.